A rainy morning. It's an idle conjecture. Why is there something rather than nothing? Because nothing is something. So nothing, represented by zero, is a mathematical concept that was brought in that gave if you just consider it as an inertial frame of reference for mathematics, so that all the mathematics that we build stands on zero, and the proof of that is in orthogonality, complex numbers, imaginary numbers. Right? So the orthogonal plane exists when zero exists. If you don't have zero, you can't have the imaginary number, the complex number. And so zero, represented by the circle, is something because it has an orthogonal construction of its nothingness. And just take the zero, and that's to the I squared, exponential I squared. So the orthogonal area of zero exists as its elastic plastic modulus of the sphere of hydrogen binding energy, water. So water exists as the entity of nothing. That a magnetic field, twisted through sheer force, flow, motion, all the time, that motion existing as pure vector change in the surface of the sphere of hydrogen binding energy, means that nothing has an entity, and that entity is water. And so light and water are the same thing from different perspectives. So when we're measuring the speed of light, we're measuring it from the perspective of the light itself, the flash, the spark of the electrostatic buzz. The planet buzzes at the rate of Planck's constant h, achieving an acceleration measurable as gravity from 0 to 9.81 newtons, kilogram meters per second squared. So there's the kilogram lodged in the newton as an acceleration unit all of its own, as the effect of the planet expanding from 0 to that velocity. But it doesn't expand, the elastica does. The tension within the tectonic plates, where you get tension from tension to negative tension, stretching, does the expanding work at the velocity c, which is the celerity of the wave function of the hydrogen binding energy of nothing. Because at the equator, water, now created as a sphere, is made from water, light at the center, a dot, a circumpunct with a circle around it, light and water. The water exists as a mass, has a kilogram in it. Yeah, but see the newton, kilogram meters per second squared. So it has fluid and it runs to the bottom, mass. So the bottom half of this sphere is filled with water. And so it has mass energy because it's spinning, because this crazy motion of the vector potential, the electrostatic buzz in the surface, holds the thing set steady. And so at the center, it creates water. A film is created. So this electrostatic buzz creates a film, a meniscus around itself, which separates it from the mass. So you get two masses. You get the outside, the body of water, and the inside, the cavitation. Within the cavitation, there's two hemispheres, a top and a bottom. Bottom one, fluid mechanics. Top one, vapor, gas, Gaussian mechanics. Surrounded by a meniscus, described by the electrostatic buzz, Planck's constant, and Dr. Victor Levy, bringing them all together, showing the iconic structure and the twin vortices. You've got the main vortex, north-south, us to Polaris at the moment, and then you've got the vector axis, the North Pole, which is the interim axis theorem, Victor Levy 1906, showing that the magnetic pole switch, the mechanism of it, is because of Earth being the centre of the universe. And all the objects coming to us are telling us this loud and clear. You get it? So why is there something rather than nothing? Because nothing is to the I squared. And so the equation now of E equals mc squared can be expanded and understood as twist of J and K, J being the elasticity of this membrane itself, a measurement of elasticity, a Reynolds number, and then you have I plastic modulus, making EI elastic plastic modulus of the membrane of hydrogen binding energy. The strength of the material, Victor Levy, 1920 to 1936. So that's something, isn't it? That's a model. So simple. The equation is EI, elastic plastic modulus, equals JK, K being temperature, resistance, right-hand chirality, C, speed of light measured, just a measurement, it's a reflected thing, it's just a measurement, and then I squared, orthogonal squared. So the C is the coefficient, and then we can understand that we're using Ross Anderson's work, big G. Yeah, everything can be derived from big G, the big, no units, just a huge number that's created from this thing, that you can then understand how it all works. Easy peasy, simple model, physics, do one. We need to take over, my friends, because I've got a plan to get us out of here. Atlas is going to become a moon when we live as love. Christ is king, follow the rebel king.